Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then make sure that you are logged in into your Google account. You can do it directly after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. If you wish, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it on your own. So now finally we can go to the Play Store. And right now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and basically you can either tap on Updates Available here or go through the Manage, tap on Updates Available, and we will have the same thing. Here we've got simply Update button, and in the previous one we have to mark the tick boxes and then update. The second section is a little bit better because, let me show you, go to Manage, Updates Available, because here, if let's pretend that I've got a lot of apps to update, here we can mark specific apps which we wish to update. So for example, here, and then update. And in this section right here, we can do it manually, but one by one. So we have to tap on Update. So it's obviously up to you. However, here we've got this option Update All, and we do not have to mark them manually. So as you can see, both sections have their drawbacks and disadvantages and advantages. So all you have to do is to tap on Update, and now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.